Hello everybody and welcome to the Tiny Couch Concert. This is edition 4. I'm back inside on the couch. I'm relaxing today because this song is all about feeling good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rose up this morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I rose up this morning, I smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. They're saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry